The job of Jamal the driver starts after the pizza is prepared. Usually, he grabs the address and the pizza and head for his scooter motorcycle. Jamal either needs to know the streets of the city or town where he is delivering. Everything is noted on a delivery note. When Jamal delivers the pizza, he also takes the payment from the customer. Usually, this is cash because people mostly have their money out and ready. But some pizza company accept also credit cards. In our case, we will get paid cash. So, Jamal has identified that a pizza was placed on the delivery location, which has to be now delivered. Before delivering the pizza, he will do a little bit of work in the system to register that the pizza has been shipped or delivered and also get some documents printed out. So let's see now how Jamal does that.
My name is Jamal, the driver of World Pizza. In this video I will show you how I register my deliveries in the system. So let's go. First I will switch to my concerned role center. So my screen is tailored for shipping and delivery processing. And this is called shipping and receiving for warehouse management system. So what I am going to do now is I will go to an area called warehouse shipment. I click new. And I will choose the location code, delivery, which supposed to be assigned to my username as a driver for the Pizza World company. After that I select the shipment agent code for this delivery. So the driver code is in this case, Jamal. Then I go here and get the source document. And when I look at the production order, I understand that this is supposed to be shipped to the sales order 1035. Then I click OK. Of course there are other hungry customer waiting of their pizza at this moment. And generally I deliver many customer at the same time. But for our scenario I will only deliver just one customer. So the sales order number 1035. The system will fill the line with the sales order of the pizza and do the connection to the sales order. It will know which customer that goes out to. So when I click post shipment here, what happens is that the printer print out a delivery note. I can now stick this delivery note on the box or simply hand over to the customer when he asks for. And that actually conclude what I have to do. Now here we go to the hungry customer before it gets cold.
So, Jamal goes now and picks up the pizza and put it into a isothermal bags because it keeps the pizzas warm so it don't cool before the customer receives and makes it ready for the road. Let's now check the new status of the sales order. So, when we go back to Nadia Roll Center, and we go to the sales orders, we click here the number of our sales order 1035. And we can see some changes. What we can see is that the pizza has been shipped now. So this gives Nadia the salesperson a quick overview on what is going on the warehouse or on the delivery area. And we can also do it when we navigate from here to the posted sales shipment. And we can see down here that a posted shipment document has been created for a pizza to the hungry customer. So as I mentioned during the warehouse delivery, do the connection to the sales order. The system is automatically understand which address will to ship to. And that concludes what Jamal has to do on this case.